Deleting a Zendesk account involves a few steps to ensure all data is properly handled and the account is fully closed. Here's how to delete your Zendesk account. Back up your data. Before deleting your account, export any important data. Navigate to the admin center and use the data export feature to download your data. Cancel subscription. Go to the admin center by clicking the admin icon in the sidebar. Under account, click on billing. Here you can cancel your subscription. This will ensure no further billing occurs. Close account. In the admin center, under account, find the account settings. Scroll down to the account section and click on close account. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to close your account. You may be required to provide a reason for closing. Confirm closure. After initiating the closure, Zendesk may send a confirmation email to the account owner's email address. Confirm the closure through the email link. Support contact. If you encounter any issues or have specific requirements, you can contact Zendesk support. Go to the Zendesk support page and submit a request for account deletion. Post deletion. Once your account is closed, you will lose access to all data and services associated with Zendesk. Ensure you have all necessary data backed up, as this process is irreversible.